Panama City Beach, Florida. No doubt this boat's going out for a day in the Gulf. Look at the weather behind him, and that's the weather that will be in front of us. We're headed west to Destin, Florida today, about 50 miles in the open water. So all you guys back there watching the Weather Channel on cable TV, is that rain cloud headed east or headed west? We'd like to know before we get out there and make a bad decision. If you have any questions about cruising, handling your boat in rough weather conditions, or deciding not to go for an hour or two or a day or two, ask Captain Chris.